Hello everyone. So this isn't my my first unboxing. I've been unboxing on TikTok, but I decided to move over on YouTube. Not sure why I'm unboxing, but I guess I like showing what I have, what I'm collecting. So today we'll be unboxing the TCG Cleaver V-Star. And we'll be opening some booster packs to see what we'll be getting today. Alright, so let me put this here. So what do we have inside? So we have a promo Cleaver V-Star, the oversized 6 booster pack, pin, coin, acrylic V-Star marker, and a code. Alright, so let me sit here. Push over. Let me turn it over this way, so everything comes out neatly. Alright, show that this side. Alright, so our 6 booster pack. Ooh. I think this is going to be my first time opening an Astral Radiance booster pack. Not sure if I want to do that today, but I guess we don't have a choice. What else do we have here? So where's the opening? Alright. So just to the top here. This is our acrylic V-Star. Here. What do we have here? A pin. So our Cleaver pin. Fun fact, I was playing Pokemon Arceus and I did not know that Cleaver is the evolution of Scyther. That was amazing. Yes, so a pin for Cleaver. Oversized card. So let me, yes, I'm back. So I'm actually collecting oversized cards also. So I've actually collected all of the starters for the 25th edition. And some others. So I have those two, so I guess we'll be adding Cleaver here. So let me add that out here. Perfect. So what else do I have at the back here? So I have, let's see, that is Rapidash, V, Dragonite V, Pikachu V, Calyrex, Calyrex. Let's see, Dragapult V Max, Urshifu, and Zacian. Alright, so let's get back to, I also have Primarina and the CGI GX. So alright, let's get back to the Cleaver opening. So that's that there. I'm going to carefully take this out. Try that to the side. Oops. Let me get that. So our Cleaver coin, yes, our coin. I've actually collected a lot of coins. So this is our promo Cleaver V. And our Cleaver V star. Alright, so I'm gonna put these aside here. Let's start opening our booster packs now. So I usually like to open from the year of release. So I think Fusion Strike was first. Not really first, but in terms of what we have here. For some reason I usually like to keep my packs intact. Not sure why. 4 cards to the front. That's who we have today. Energy. Centicorch. Catcher. Fusion Strike Energy. Shelmet. Drillbur. Bumblebee. Mudkip. Echo. Gossifleur. Hope I pronounced that correctly. Gossifleur. So that's our foil for the day for this pack. And our rare and a Zoomeril. Alright, so that's that pack. Nothing too fancy from that pack. Alright, so our second Fusion Strike pack. Let's see if we're feeling anything in this one. Slight texture on this one. This might be something there. I think you guys seen that. Yeah, that's Black Bear. Ooh. So that's Fire. Biyukimuku. Schoolgirl. Chili, Silent, and Crest. Jupiter, Meowth, Onyx, Chuto, Shroomish. Ooh, our Latios. I actually have a lot of these though. Can't remember, there was a box that had a lot of these Latios and Latias. But this is not my first. But it's still nice to get another foil. But what is our main rare for the day? Ooh, pull that too fast. And it's a Cinderace V. Not bad. I think this is my first Cinderace V. Not bad, not bad. Yes, I like it. Alright, so moving on to our, that's nicely there. Moving on to our Brilliant Star pack. I get to open this one as I wanted to. So that's inside. That's 4 front. Texture. Can't really tell. So, what's your energy? Torkoal. Actually, I like Torkoal. Double Turbo Energy. Kindler. Duskull. Sneasel, Corfish, Magmar, Spiritomb. Ooh, our foil for this pack. Friends in Galar. Must be nice to have friends. And our rare for the day, it's Wormadam. So nothing too special there. Alright, moving on to our 4th pack for the day. Turn again. One, 2, 3, 4. Anything nice? think so. Alright, fighting. Cafe Master. Gabite. Reminds me of Pokemon Arceus. Grotto, nice. I think I have a Grotto already from this pack. Nosepass. Milcery. Cupchew. Not sure why Cupchew isn't in the Alabasta region for Pokemon Arceus. Dedenne. Farfetch'd, or maybe I haven't. Maybe he is there, I'm assuming. And our foil for this pack, it's a choice belt. And our rare, a Magmortar. I actually got this already, so maybe that's why I'm not so excited. It's still a nice card though. I actually like the design. Magmortar and Electivire. Alright, so my first Astral Radiance pack. So that's Typhlosion, the Hisuian Typhlosion, and Hisuian Samurott. Let's see what we're getting today. Right, for the front, nothing special. First pack, nothing special. Alright, Steel, the Gape Jaw Bog, Togetic. Did I put that? No, good. Togetic. Did I catch that in Arceus? Can't remember. Spicy Seasoned Curry, Heracross. Reminds me of the Alpha Heracross. Teddiursa. Mantine. Scyther. Basculin. Ooh. And I thought I was not getting anything nice today. Ooh. A rare Hisuian Typhlosion on the first pack. And a foil at that. Wonderful. Wonderful. I think it was last night. Yes, last night I realized that and a Regidrago! Whoa! Oh, whoa, I was not expecting this. I know they aren't that rare, but still they're rare to me. I like collecting them. I think it was only yesterday, last night, this morning, 2 a.m. I realized that we could collect the Oshawott and the Cyndaquil from Professor Laventon. And I think it was this morning I evolved them and I got the Hisuian Typhlosion and Samurott. Alright, our second pack. Not feeling anything, but I guess we can't judge a book by its cover based on that first pack. Alright, Energy Lotto or Loto. Quilava! Going nicely with our Hisuian Typhlosion. Perfect, so all we need is a Cyndaquil now. Golduck. Rufflet. It's actually nice after playing Pokemon Arceus. I know it's Pokemon Legend Arceus. I just keep saying Pokemon Arceus. It's nice seeing the Pokemon from Pokemon Legends, from these cards here. Ponyta. Rowlet. Bronzor. Oshawott. Yes. So just need to get my Jewott and my Samurott now. and a Hisuian Braviary, the Pokemon that lets us fly all across the Hisuian region. Alright, so... Wait! No! I thought that was... I don't know why I thought that was my last card. It's a good thing I pulled. And we got a Cleaver. Yeah, this is what I was saying. I did not know that Cleaver was actually the evolved form of Saito. And it was amazing when I researched it and I found out that. Yes, Cleaver. Alright, so that's it for today. So I guess we got 3 Cleaver today.